Hi, my name is Roilen and welcome to Fruition Restaurant. My barrel-aged cocktail is called 3 on the Tree, made with Stranahan's Original. I chose Stranahan's Original whiskey for my cocktail because I wanted the purest expression of the whiskey to let my other ingredients shine. I aged our barrel with a pine nut and honey Orgeat, Sage-Infused Bianco Vermouth, and a prickly pear bitter. My inspiration for this cocktail was driving across the Grand Mesa on the western slope of Colorado. All the ingredients I included were sourced from and around that area. To make the 3 on the Tree, we take 3 ounces of the barrel-aged spirit, pour it over a large rock, and garnish with 3 sage leaves. What interested me in doing this barrel-aged cocktail is seeing what would happen if I introduced a clarified spirit into a barrel. My name is Roilen at Fruition Restaurant. Come try our cocktail, 3 on the Tree, and vote for us for Barrel Royale.